Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can copy your Google Ads from one account to another account. And because that may be not an issue when you are running one or two ads, but when you have multiple or huge ads, then this can be a cause of concern for anyone. So there are multiple ways through which you can do it. But before I start, I want you guys to subscribe to this channel, press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you don't miss it. So without wasting any time, let's get started on this. So the first way for that is through Google Ads Editor, but because I feel that Editor is a more advanced tool and maybe not suitable for everyone, which is why I'm not going to tell over here, but I'm going to tell you easy ways over here. So if you have multiple accounts open in your account, your email ID, what you have to do, you have to open both simultaneously like this and this. So let's say we are going to copy from this. So what we are going to do, we are going to go to the ad from over here, and let's say we are going to copy this ad from here. So what we are going to do is select the edit option, go with the copy option. Now the ad has been copied, and now because we have opened multiple pages, so now we are going to shift over here. So let's say we are going over here, and we are going to select the Control V from that, and we are going to paste it over here. They are asking for the campaign type, and then we are going to select that. So we are going to save in sales search ad group 1, press that done, and we are going to post new ad after pasting. So just select this one, and although it's going to take some time because now the ad is being copied from other account to this account, and make sure that your email address is connected with both of the accounts to do such thing. So now you can see that the ad have been pasted. You can go over here and you can see the details over here because it's done in the bulk action. So you can see that it's being done. So we can move again over here. We did it in sales search 1, and you can see that the ad has been pasted over here. So the process is easy and simple for anyone who wants to do. There are other ways as well. For instance, selecting all this and then doing the copy paste and then move on to the other is a Google Ads Editor, which is a tool available for bulk updates, but this is for professionals, not for individuals. So this was an easy and quick way. Just select all the ads you are going to choose, select the edit, go copy, and directly paste. Let's say we are going to select the 6 ads. Now it's being because 6 ads have been copied, and now we are going to paste over here. Just select the Control V from over here, so easily it can be pasted over here. Or in case if it's a Mac, you can select the Command V as well, and then select, just do the paste option. So now this is another very easy way to do this. So I hope you like it, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. And in case you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.